Good morning. This is some really good coffee. Super good. Yum. Wow, that's really good coffee. Good morning, you guys. So as you have seen, I just made my coffee this morning. It's very early. So yeah, right now I am just having my coffee. I am still in my PJs and also I still have to get ready. But I am gonna head to the gym. Like I said, I'm just going to do like my morning routine and stuff. But yeah, this is what I do or have first thing in the morning. Just my coffee and water. Always have water. I fill this up every single night before I go to bed. It's like part of our routine. My boyfriend and I always fill up our water bottles. And then in the morning, normally I don't drink all of it. I'll chug a whole water bottle before bed and then I'll fill it up to have it throughout the night. But normally I don't even have half of it throughout the night. So I'll just finish this in the morning. I'll also chug the rest or whatever I have left over in this water bottle. And I tend to feel very cleansed. Water is like what have I been doing? Water is everything. So yeah, I've been having that, my coffee, and then I do go to the gym fasted. I tend to like going to the gym fasted personally because when I do eat, I do get nauseous and I feel heavy personally. I just don't like going to the gym when I have something. If I do have something to eat, because there are days that I do get super hungry first thing in the morning, I wake up starving. I don't know why. But yeah, I'll normally have something super light, like maybe, like I said, I will have something super light, but also something that's gonna kind of get me through my workout, especially if it's like leg day or something. I'll have like a piece of toast, or sometimes I'll have a bar, something like this, an RX bar or a LAR bar. I've actually been wanting to try these because if I like these are gonna be my go-tos. I've never had RX bars, I've never had LAR bars. I do like having these if I'm super hungry in the morning and, you know, I have to get to the gym. I just won't have like a full-on meal, you know, like a breakfast meal, because then I can't go to the gym. I have to wait like an hour and a half or something for my food to settle. So yeah, these are super good. I like these type of kind bars. They're very like chewy. So yeah, I do like those. Also the syrup that I showed you guys, I got it from TJ Maxx. No, just kidding. I got it from Whole Foods. Whole Foods? What am I saying? Home Goods. I got it from Home Goods. Toasted coconut, sugar-free syrup. It tastes super good. So I've just been putting that in my coffee, and then as my like creamer base, I've just been having this Planet oat milk. I just got it in the super creamy, extra creamy form, I guess, if you will, because I wanted it more like for my coffee. But I've been trying to get some Oatly and I seem to not be able to get it anywhere. So I've always wanted to make a coffee as good as they make it at Starbucks, and I know that's probably unrealistic of me to think that way, but I was looking online what kind of oat milk does Starbucks use, because it's just so good. Their brown sugar, what is it called? Something brown sugar oat milk latte. It's phenomenal. It's so good. I'm just gonna stop rambling, finish my coffee, and I will see you guys for breakfast. Time for breakfast. I am starving. We just got done with our workout. My friend Janessa here. She doesn't want to be on camera, but I had to do it to her. I'm going to be having 1 egg, 2 egg whites in olive oil spray, and then I'm going to be having maybe 2 slices of this Carb Smart 5-seed bread. It's so good. And the macros are amazing on this. So it's like 1 net carb, 1 gram of carbs. 1 net carb, 1 gram net carbs. And 3 grams of protein. So 6 grams of protein for 2 slices. I'm gonna have it with some whipped cream cheese. Sorry, I can't think of the word. Okay, so this is a hack. Buy the whipped cream cheese because it's lower in calories. For 2 tablespoons, it's 50 calories. Like, what? That's insane. So I recommend this one, and 2 tablespoons is good enough for my 2 slices of bread. So I'm gonna have that, my eggs. And then for protein, I don't feel like having a protein shake right now. I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna have one of these Oikos 000 yogurts. Has 15 grams of protein. Also, macros are pretty good on this as well. And I'm gonna add some fruit, some pre-washed and cut up fruit. I have some raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries here. And yeah, I noticed that whenever I prep my fruit beforehand and I put it in a container like this, I actually eat it and it doesn't go bad. And I snack on it throughout the day as well. If I have like a sweet tooth, like I could eat blueberries all freaking day. Like fruit, I love fruit. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be having. I'm gonna whip this up and I'll show you guys the end product. This is my gym fit. This top is so cute. If you haven't already, go check out my Fashion Nova haul. I showed this workout top. It actually comes in a set with the shorts, but I felt like wearing my Lululemon Aligns today. But yeah, super cute. Here's my breakfast. I actually left out the yogurt because I kind of want to make it into like a little parfait later for like a snack. I'm about to eat this because I'm starving. Okay, so sorry, my mouth is full. I added a little bit tapatio or Cholula. So I added a little bit to my egg and I just wanted to get this out of the way. Do you like runny eggs? Because Janessa absolutely despises them. She thinks they're disgusting.
Disgusting.
You think they're gross?
Thing for me.
So it's a texture thing for her. So what do you guys like? Do you guys like a runny yolk or does it have to be fully cooked? Because I know that some people just like egg whites. Like some people won't even eat the yolk, right? You don't like it? Mm-hmm. So I just kind of wanted to see. I like my yolk runny, sunny side up all the way. And today it came out a little bit perfect because it's like a little bit mushy, but at the same time it's still a little bit runny. I just had to ask because me and Janessa always get into this argument about what's better. We're just out here walking, getting some cardio in. It's super windy, but it's so hot today, so getting a good little sweat on. I just came back from my walk and I took a shower. I feel clean. I'm just gonna have a little snack while I do my makeup and get ready for the day. And I kind of want to have my yogurt now. It sounds really good. This is what I'm going to have as like a snack. I just came back from my walk and I was all sweaty, showered. I'm good now, and I'm hungry again. So what I'm gonna be having is this Oikos 000 yogurt. Love this one. It's 15 grams of protein. Love that. So I'm gonna have this because I haven't had any protein except my egg whites this morning, I believe. Yeah. So I'm gonna have that with a few of these mini chips, semi-sweet. These are vegan and these are so good. They're amazing. I'm gonna add some hemp hearts, extra protein. These are really good, filled with omegas, super healthy for you. So I'm gonna add those. Some more fruit, and I'm gonna add a fruit. I was gonna say fruit and few. I'm gonna add a few pecans. And I also have my scale here because I am like, I do weigh things out like the pecans, because nuts are very high in calories. They're good for you, healthy fats, but they're also very high in calories. So I do like to weigh these out. So I'm gonna prep that right now. Sounds so good and refreshing after being outside while it's like scorching hot. But you know what? I'm not complaining because I love hot weather. This is the final product. And I promise there's chocolate chips and like pecans. They're just in there. But yeah, I really like the hemp hearts because they add fiber as well. It's really good to have fiber in your diet because it fills you up and it's really good for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna go have this while I go get ready.
I know, that was my reaction.
What did you do to that?
Kiss me.
Babe! Why? What the fuck? Why do they look like that?
Because
What the
I told her, can you trim them down a little bit?
Look at them. This guy's fucking bald.
Look, he looks like a fox.
He's not even him anymore. This is some other dog. Look how skinny he is.
Koopy. Hi, baby.
These dogs look way.
Oh, whoa. So now that my boyfriend is here, I'm gonna have him help me cut this watermelon that I got for him.
Let me just samurai chop the fuck out of it one time. You won't let me. You won't let me samurai chop. You want me to just samurai chop it?
I've never cut up a... Here, I think this one's better.
No, this one's better. Just one fucking samurai chop.
I don't think you should do that.
Woo!
What the hell?
Hey, that was a clean cut though. Look at the cleanness of the cut.
Oh my gosh, you made a mess.
That's a clean cut. Look, for the followers out there, we really out here doing this shit.
I can't believe you did that.
Can you take the trash out? It's really heavy.
That, if it's under 65 pounds, is a woman job. It's a woman task. 10 level task, what they call it in the military, 10 level task. So you can, if it's under, you got the scale, so we can check.
Yeah, look, it has a pigtail.
Don't put your hands in the chopping area now.
We're gonna snack on this. And then,
You're gonna snack on that.
and then make dinner. Well, I got this for you.
You're just messing, honey. I'm messing with you.
Okay, so now that I've had enough watermelon and we just relaxed for a little bit, it's currently 5 p.m. We try to have dinner early because we're kind of trying to fast for a long period of time in a sense. So by 6 p.m. we've already would have had our dinner. And I actually have, I just have my food prepped here. I just have this chicken left. I'm just going to cut it up. And then what I've been doing is I've been just seasoning it with this peri-peri sauce. So fire. I love Nando's peri-peri sauce for like chicken. It's amazing. And then I have some steamed broccoli here from the night before. Yeah, we're gonna do long grain brown rice, microwavable, and then I put lime, avocado on top with salt and pepper. So good. I'm gonna prep this and then I'll show you guys the final product. So delicious. Okay, so this is the final product. Yummy. I'm so excited to eat.
He's only for me. I'm really not happy like that.
And since I do the ready rice and it doesn't have a lot of flavor, what I like to do is add avocado on top with salt, pepper, and lime, and it's so good. I'm about to eat this up. Alright guys, we've just been watching TV. It's really rainy today, but it was actually nice earlier, like super warm. So I got my cardio in, but I need something sweet to end the night. Just don't feel like having a protein shake right now. The one that I bought, I like it better as like a shake with like banana, peanut butter, and that's just doing the most right now. So I'm gonna have my handy dandy. I kind of have a dilemma. Power Crunch bar, chocolatey, or RX bar, chocolate coconut. I'm going with the coconut. I'm feeling the coconut. I'm feeling the chocolate. So, I've actually never tried this one, so let's see what this is about. And it has protein, 12 grams of protein. Ooh, and I like nutty, like bars that are like nutty. Ah, wow. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, here we go. Wow, it looks yummy. Let's give it a try. They really stick to my teeth. I don't want to have stuff on my teeth on the camera. Wow, this is rich. I don't know, like, it's a tiny bar, and I was thinking like it's probably not enough to satisfy me, but they're really chewy, like really chewy, so it feels like you're eating a lot more. Warning, if you don't like chewing, I would just stop. Before I gross you guys out with my eating, I am going to close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not. And if you are, thank you so much for sticking around. Thumbs up this video though, so it lets me know you guys like watching my what I eat in a days. I know today wasn't the best, but I'll make more of these videos. I like watching what I eat in days, so I actually do enjoy making them as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next